I have an order today for 3 starfish beaded bracelets, and they've got a starfish charm. So I thought I'd bring you along and show you how I make them. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available. And as a relatively new channel, it would help so much. Thank you. I've got 0.6mm stretchy elastic. These are the charms I'm going to be using. They're all different. They're starfish, enamel starfish charms, gold plated. We've got a pink, a blue, and it's like a shell. It's like a beigey shell colour. Bead wise, these are 8mm and they're shimmer beads. They're acrylic. So we've got purple. These are like a turquoisey green and pink. And these are very handy containers. If you would like me to get some of these in, because I do have a website which I'll link below for you, Low Cost Craft Supplies. But these are like gold, a Casey gold, and they are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10mm. They're quite handy to have. They do lots. They have silver, gold, rose gold, black, antique silver. So let me know if you want me to get some of those in. They're not that expensive. Got my ruler. So I'm going to be using the 8mm today. So we measure just over 12 inches. So you've got some to work with. Take your cutters or scissors, whatever you have available, snip them off, give it a stretch. And I'm just going to pop a bead clip on the end, which is a stationary clip, to stop the beads from falling off. Nothing worse than your beads falling off when you've virtually completed the bracelet. So let's do the purple first. So these will be 7 inches, which is the average bracelet size. Obviously remove or add beads for whatever length you want to make. You just shut that door. I've been feeding the squirrels. The sun is shining. It's a lovely day today here in Bristol, UK, because I know lots of my subscribers are actually from the USA. So thank you for subscribing. Now I'm going to take 2 pairs of pliers to open and close the jump rings. I'll link a video all about jump rings if you're new to jewellery making. You always open this way. Add the charm and close. And we're going to pop that onto the bracelet. You can do it after, it's completely up to you. Don't worry that it's facing that way. So yes, the sun is out in sunny Bristol. It always makes you feel good, the sun. All the spring flowers. I'm actually going to take myself off tomorrow for a walk over to Wells along the coastline. So I'm looking forward to that, getting out, getting some fresh air. Another 2 beads. And we're ready to tie. Just like a shoelace. Then we do the same again, but we go over twice. Then we're going to go the opposite way, and this is a surgeon's knot. It's the knot that I use for bracelets, and I always do one for luck. If you want to pop a bit of glue on the end, you can, but I'm not going to. Cut the ends off. Remember I said to you, don't worry about it being the other way, you just turn the bracelet around. Just do another one. I always used to say 12 inches, but I just take a little bit extra. It helps with, it does actually help with tying. Give it a stretch. I'm actually filming this video with, I can't show you because the camera's all set up, but I've got 2 squirrels right outside the door. I've been feeding them nuts. The wood pigeons are cooing, making nests. Another charm on this one. The green. Oh, this one is the beige one for this bracelet. How are you all today? I do hope you're well. Let me know how you are in the comments below. Any projects you're working on. I'd love to know what you're all making. If you are making anything. Are you reading any interesting books? Plans to go out in the garden? Plans to go away for the weekend? It's Friday here. I really want to know. I want to get to know my subscribers. I really do take an interest. And love to know how you all are. Another 2 beads. Where's the hole? There we go. I can't remember if I gave this a stretch to begin with. I'm just doing it now. So again, tie and shoelace. Then twice we go over. And then we're going to go the opposite way. And one for luck. I think I should have a t-shirt made and one for luck. I say it so much. Snip off the ends. And that's that one. And lastly, we have the pink one. Stretch. These beads are available in so many different colours. The clear shimmer is a lovely colour as well. And you can also, I do also do the mixed colours as well. Okay, pop this one. This is actually facing the right way. Pretty. Even if I say so myself. Not pretty. Also make lovely earrings from these as well. Do a matching set. Beach jewellery is very popular now. Everybody's making it for the summer. And then snip. There we have our 3 bracelets. Please like this video if you've got this far. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It really helps me as I'm a new channel. So thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.